In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable commenting in Trello. This process will help you maintain control over your Trello boards by restricting who can leave comments, ensuring that your boards stay clean and clutter-free. Whether you're managing team projects or organizing personal tasks, setting the right permissions can significantly enhance your workflow and focus. So let's dive right in and get started with these simple steps. First, you'll need to open your Trello board. Once you're inside, take a look at the top right corner of your screen. Here, you will find the three dots icon. This icon serves as a gateway to a variety of settings and options that Trello offers. So, go ahead and click on that icon. As you do so, a drop-down menu will appear, showing you several choices. From this menu, select the option labeled Settings. This is where you'll manage all the key settings relating to your board's functionality and user interactions. Now, within the settings area, you'll notice a section titled Permissions. Trello has thoughtfully organized these various settings under manageable categories, making it simple for you to control various aspects of your board. The Permissions section is crucial because it allows you to determine who can see, edit, or interact with your board. Since our goal today is to disable comments, this is exactly where we need to be. Next, locate the part within the Permissions section that deals with commenting. It should be clearly labeled for easy identification. Click on the Commenting option, and you will be presented with different levels of access or restrictions. For our purpose, we want to ensure that commenting on the board is completely turned off. You'll see an option to set comments to disabled. Click on this setting to deactivate the commenting feature on your Trello board. This will prevent others from adding comments on any cards within your board, providing a cleaner and more streamlined communication experience. And there you have it. As simple as those few clicks, you've successfully disabled commenting on your Trello board. By taking control of your board's permissions, you've ensured that you and your team can focus on what truly matters without having to sift through unnecessary comments. Remember, Trello's flexibility is part of what makes it such an effective tool, and knowing how to tweak these settings to meet your needs can greatly improve your productivity and collaboration efforts. Thank you for tuning in today, and happy organizing!